Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Marlon again with the Roots Motorsports YouTube channel. I'm here to do another car review. Today I took a little trip. I traveled out to, what's this?
Ave Maria.
Ave
Maria.
Ave Maria in Naples. So today we're out here. I'm out here with a good friend of mine, Raymond. Where I say Raymond?
Yeah, man, my damn man.
Aye. Today we'll come take a look at your car and let's just, we're out here in the Everglades pretty much, to be honest with you. But today, we come here to talk about your car.
Okay.
And you want to explain to the people what you have, and then we'll just turn around and get a look at it?
Okay, it's a 1972 Aston Mini Cooper racer. Used to race in England. I've had it for over 15 years. Motor is built fully, transmission fully. The ends are not rubberless. They call
really?
them rose joint.
So it's fully, like you say, it's a full race car.
Full race car. Used to race in England. As a matter of fact, has the
all right, let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it.
Okay.
And is this would be considered a mini Miglia?
No,
it's not a Miglia
it's
spec.
a mini Cooper.
Okay, Mini
not
Cooper.
a Miglia.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, and like you were saying, it's a ex-English race car. And you imported it, or was it already here?
It was here when I bought it.
Okay. And did you do any work to it when you got it?
Well, the engine, I rebuilt the engine. Trevor Hamilton rebuilt the engine from scratch. Full race, everything. Transmission, engine.
What size engine is in it?
It's a 1380cc with cams, port and polish head. It's a Longman Stage 2 head. Roller rockers, light and flywheel, full works.
Oh, so you went through it all the way?
Yes, from
engine,
scratch.
Gearbox. What you were saying about the gearbox?
Straight cut gears, drop gears, synchronized, close ratio.
It's still a 4-speed or 5-speed?
4-speed.
Oh, okay. Really nice, man. And you're running the 13s on here?
Yes, 13s.
Boy, I know I've seen this car in a lot of places. So you drive it often though?
Yes, man, definitely.
Wicked. We get a little walk around here. I've seen this car over in Fort Lauderdale. So you drive it from out here back over to Fort Lauderdale?
Oh yeah, every time. Back and forth.
All right, let's take a look inside here. Well, as he said, the car is a race car and it has the interior to match. This box here, is that for the
carburetor?
The carburetor come inside.
It's a Weber 45 on it. So
it's a big carburetor on there.
Carburetor, yes.
And I guess we'll look at the engine next. We'll just do a quick walk around. All original glass, or is was composite?
Everything is composite except the windscreen.
Okay.
Everything is lightened.
Have you done any racing in it, or you just drive it?
Just drive it.
Well, we need to go down to Homestead to the autocross event, man.
Yes, definitely.
The car look wicked. See, you even have some of the English I guess stickers on there from the original people who had it or whatever, some of the sponsorship.
Yes.
Oh man, wicked, man.
Yes, I have not changed much on it. Stickers I kept. The original paint this is the original paint I got it with.
And it's like what, 4 different colors on there?
More
the purple, green, red, and yellow in the front.
Yes, definitely.
I like the combination still. It's quite unique. Race car thing. All right. Any plans, any updates or anything you plan to do with it?
Not really, just continue to enjoy it. I've had it for so long that it becomes a part of me. I just love this car. It brings back memories every time I step into it. Just love it.
Well, I can understand that. Having owned a couple of them myself, it's a very fun car to own. Car, really nice car for drive. I know you had a couple more before, and just like with most of us with this hobby, man, go through quite a few of these projects and stuff. You can pull off the bonnet there and let's take a look. And that's the proper terminology when you're talking about an English car, You have to say bonnet and the trunk is the boot. But I really like this one, man. So is the front?
Front is metal.
Okay.
It's removable.
Oh, nice. Watch out, man. All right, so for those that don't know, this is a A-series engine, and it's a 1380. Oh, wow. And that box I was pointing out is to accommodate the that Weber right there. Really nice setup. Watch ya, man. Have the oil cooler in the front there.
Water cooler, oil cooler.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, this is the oil cooler,
Uh-huh.
and that's the water cooler down there.
Oh, down.
Extra water cooler.
Okay.
Plus it has an electric fan back here.
Mm-hmm.
A mechanical fan. But I hardly use the electrical fan because it doesn't overheat or anything.
Oh, okay.
Just a backup.
And that's a decent size radiator too.
Oh, yeah.
Aluminum.
Yeah, aluminum radiator.
Wow.
Yep.
What's that? A Mallory electronic
Mallory
distributor?
Electronic, yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Nice. So you wrap the headers too and everything?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. And you say roller rockers, head studs, everything?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get a glimpse in there. Watch it, man. Really nice, man. Remember, we have to take this thing down to Homestead and go around some autocross, do some cone racing and stuff.
Need to.
So you're saying you have another project?
Yeah, I have a 76 Mini Cooper pickup in Jamaica.
Oh, really?
Fully built.
Really? What?
By George Sherwood, of course.
Yeah.
And it's almost ready. I'm gonna bring it up at some point.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
And those only came in the MK1, what? Just the first set? That and the, I think the panel vans.
You're correct.
Okay, man. To find a mini pickup truck anywhere is always a good thing, you know, because they're very rare.
Yes.
Man. And you say you're going to bring that up from Jamaica?
Yeah, definitely.
All right. And George Sherwood building the engine. Yeah, I've heard of him. I never met him or anything like that. I've heard of him. I almost bought a car he built a few years back, but it never happened and everything. But I know he has a very good race history and just building engines and stuff. But yeah, definitely, man. This car here, nice.
Yeah, man.
You run a fuel cell in it?
Yes.
Okay.
I can show that.
Yeah. Let's take a look at that. I'm sure everybody want to kind of get the idea of the mini race car. Have the roll cage. Actually, it's a full roll cage inside. Welding roll cage too, which is, you know, let me see if I can open up here. I mean, this is some real race car thing. The door gutted. Like I say, it's a welding cage. Wow. Nice. And it has all of the I guess the race history and the cage certificates.
Yep.
Let's come around here, so. Okay.
If you notice, I have trophies in here from the car shows that I attend, man.
Yeah. The many winning car shows and can win races as well.
Yep.
What size exhaust is on it? It sound really beefy, you know.
It's a 2-inch exhaust.
Okay.
2-inch exhaust.
Nice. All right, let's come around here. You can put up that and crank it up and let me hear how it sound. Oh wow! Look at the shifter. They have different ones, but this one is the earlier shifter. Nice setup, man. Old school. It have the original speedo.
Yes.
Aftermarket tack. But yeah, this is a full. This car here mean business. Really nice. And just like that, one turn of the key. And I really like this, a really cool car, man. Alright, you think we can take it for a ride?
Yeah,
go around the block?
Definitely.
Alright, let's do that. Alright, I'm gonna try to get in here now with the roll cage. Alright. The custom window.
That's alright, just leave it right there.
Yeah. Alright, step over. Down and yeah. Take a little work, but we're in. And hold on then now. Let's do this. As we mean business, you know, we have to take safety into practice. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Safety first, right?
Yes, sir.
This is you don't always see them put the VIN there, but that's a good touch, I guess. Yeah, man.
Reload it.
Yeah, well, I guess we hear the sweet sounds of the carburetor. And everybody, this don't have no power steering or no any kind of driver assist. You have to be a real driver to manage one of these. So let's wait until the traffic here. You can hear the straight cut gears. Yeah, man. How your neighbors feel about it?
They're alright, you know.
Yeah?
Don't give them much trouble because they like it.
Okay, well, yeah, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. You always get spies with a Mini. Amazing. This car is really nice. Oh. So, as you can see, the Roots Motorsports sticker of approval going on. Look at that. That's one side. And then look, you see that precision sticker placement on the Mini. All right. Again,
Yeah, man.
enough respect. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Everything on. I got it.
I'm running ratchet.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Martin again with another car review. Today I took a little trip to come do this one for you guys. I'd like to thank everybody who has subscribed, the new subscribers and all the subscribers that's like really? Really?